I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Today I'm at Braden Motorsports for my winter oil change, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to test Valvoline's Easy Pour Bottle system. I saw this product actually through their Canadian Instagram account, and I thought to myself, well, where was this solution when I was racing go-karts? I mean, half the reason why I created a detailing product was because of how messy my oil changes were. Like, complete disaster. In a second, I'll test it out for all of us and provide my opinion to see how easy it really is to use. But I'm going to focus on the anti-glug feature to see if it really is anti-glug. But first, like I mentioned, I'm in for my winter oil change, and through the years, I've had a lot of friends ask me about which oil to purchase when they visit their local garage, because you're most likely to be provided with two options. My answer is always synthetic. Yes, it's more expensive, but essentially in Canada, with our tough winters, you want an oil which provides better protection and can sustain the performance of your vehicle through those negative 40-degree weather temperatures. The analogy I like to use is you wouldn't send your child outdoors in the winter wearing a spring jacket. Same theory applies here. I'll put a reminder below in my description box, so anybody watching, always remember, always ask for synthetic. Okay, with that said, it's time to try Valvoline's Easy Pour Bottle. Another built-in feature is the spout. So for all my DIYers out there watching, I mean, it's quite functional and does its job. It's quite clean, so if you're doing your oil changes at home, I recommend the bottle, works well. However, if you do your oil changes at a traditional shop, they would naturally use a funnel. I want to highlight the anti-glug feature because, again, I mentioned earlier, growing up the go-kart track, I made a big mess using my oil and doing the changes. So I'm going to pour a lot faster to really test out that anti-glug. Oh yeah, much better, incredibly smooth. But Valvoline, where were you back in the day with the anti-glug? Would have been helpful. But for everybody watching, this is also about winter maintenance, and with our winter quickly approaching, I want to take this opportunity to remind everybody to check your tires, have them changed into winters, check your pressures, top up your fluids, and make sure you're only purchasing synthetic oil because it is the best. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you know when to watch the next video about my life in the fast lane. Thanks, guys.